Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here bills topic. Bill means what? All of you know bill. When you go to the shopping, they give you bill na? In dress shop, yeah, your grocery store, your ice cream parlor, stationery store, they give you one bill. You call that what they given there, what they written there, written statement. We get their service of providers, which tells us the amount we paid, various service purchase we made. We receive in bill from shop name. First one your shop name, then bill number, then telephone number, okay, then repair, maintenance, house gadgets, that also we receive in a bill. Each one will have what are they given: name, address, telephone number, bill number, service provided, then date, which item they sold, how many they sold, with serial wise, okay, name of the product, how many quantity they given, then price per unit, then how many items they are sold, that time how many items they sold, that time what they do, total cost, how they do cost of each item, and multiply by their number of item, total cost of all items purchased, then signature. See here, one bill given you. See here, you were in your bill left side, bill number 151, okay, they give, always write in left side bill number, then in middle you write there in middle your shop name, then you write there in a address, then write there your phone number, okay. Now name and address, who purchased, means you purchased your name, you think you are a shop and one customer is come there and they purchased so many items, so write there that customer's name, you write here customer name, their address, okay, then you do their columns, serial number, description, quantity, price in rupees, and amount. Price in rupees means each one price, and here you calculate their cost of each item, multiply by how many items they purchased, and write there here amount, okay. Then last one, when your purchased item is finished, that time you do the total amounts, total right there, and then in the bill's end right side your signature, you not your, that one's customer signature, okay, sorry, signature he is your authorized from shop, means your, okay, you write here your signature. Now we learn here exercise. Complete the bills the given below. Complete the bill the given below. Here is your bill is bill number 101, Ideal Stationery Stores. They given your address, then name and address, customer name and address, then write the right side date, okay. Now see, first one, pencil, how many take they want? 2 dozen, and 1 dozen price, what is price is there? 48 point sorry, 48.50 per dozen. You do the 48.50 multiply by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 8s are 16, plus 1 17, carry 1, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 90. How many their price? 97, right there. 97.00 paise. Then ruler, half dozen, but their price is 70. 70 by 2 means 70 divided by 2, 35 rupees. Okay. Ball pens, 1.5 dozen. 1 dozen price, how many they given? 80. 80 plus half dozen, 40. 80 plus 40, 120 rupees. Paper clips, 1 box, 54.50 rupees. Return pads, 3, 12.50 per pad, 37.50. Multiply there and write there. Then amounts total you do. 0, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 4 24, carry 2, 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 3 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 3 24, to carry 2 plus 1 3, 344 rupees 00 paise. Okay, B1 is your homework. B1 is your homework. You write your amount, total, and signature also here. Okay, signature also you do here. Here also same. Now prepare the following bills in your notebook. Following bills in your notebook. Mrs. Anjali went to the Ideal Snack Bar on 17 October of at Nana Chowk, Grant Road, Mumbai. Telephone to purchase snacks for the children. She ordered the following items. Prepare the bill for the same. 6 cheese sandwich for rupees 15.50 each. 12 samosas for rupees 6 each one. 8 tarts rupees 9.25. Half kg cookies for 60 rupees a kilogram. 10 vegetable roll 16 rupees each. Half kg wafers 180 a kilogram. Okay. Now you prepare the bill. When you do the prepare the bill, that time what you do? See, first one, this one question also write in your notebook. Okay, then prepare the bill. First one, right hand side, bills number 100. Okay, then what you write here? Ideal Snack Bar. Ideal Snack Bar. Okay, then what you write in there? What is next one? Address right now. You want their address. What is the address is there? See in your notebook, sorry, textbook. Nana Chowk. Nana Chowk, Grant Road. Grant Road, Mumbai. Mumbai 400 007. Then telephone number, then phone number. Okay, phone 298 71551. Then this one is your completed. Then your who is purchased, who was purchased there, write their name. Then you write your purchaser name, name and address. Mrs. Anjali. Mrs. Anjali. Okay, Mrs. Anjali. Their address, her address is not given here. So what you do? Write there Mumbai. (400,007). Okay, then here is also date. Here is also date. What is the date there? 17/10/16. This one also is short, sorry. You do perfectly. Then serial number, description, then what is the next one? Quantity. Next one, price in rupees, and here amount in rupees. Okay, first one, serial number first. What is a 6 cheese sandwich? 6 sandwiches. How many quantities there? 6 cheese sandwiches, 6. What is the price are there? 15.50. Now multiply there. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 33, carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 3, 33. 6 1s are 6, 63 rupees. Next one, samosas. Right there, samosa. How many quantity? 12. 6 per one. 12 6 are 72. Third one item, which? Tart. How many is there they purchased? 8. One was 9.25. 9 5s are 40, 4 is carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20, 2 is carry. 8 9s are 72 plus 2, 74 rupees. How many there? 74 rupees. Fourth one, cookies. How many quantity? Half kg. Each one price 60 rupees. 60 means 30 rupees. Fifth one, vegetables roll. Vegetables roll. How many? 10 vegetable roll. Each one 16 rupees. Each one 16. 160. Sixth one, which item? Wafers. Then how many quantity purchased? Half kg. 180 for each one, so 90 rupees. Here write you total. Total do there 4 to 6, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 3, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus here 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 14, 18 plus 14 plus 4, 12, 12. So the 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 3, 15, 16, 17, 17 plus 6, 17 plus 6, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 32, 2 red, 3 carry, 4, 426. Here signature, do your signature. Okay, this is your signature, and this one your bill is completed there. Use the ruler. Okay, don't do my type. Okay, I have one hand mobile, one hand our writing, so I do that, but you don't do. Okay, how to do the bill, all of you understand? B, C, D is your homework, and this is your project and activity also do. Okay, activity what? Keep record daily expenses in your pocket money on your parents and note observation in month. Means your expenses in the home you are also. Okay, that one write there, that which expenses write here. Okay, how many expenses. Okay, thank you.